Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can update the Instagram application without any incumbents. The first thing we are going to do is uninstall our Instagram account. Or you also have the option of deleting only the application cache. Select the Instagram account here and press information of application, the small icon, and we select the storage. In storage we can see clear cache. We go to clear the cache. Now the problems persist that certain functions do not appear. You are going to uninstall completely and we are going to install Instagram again, because this is a problem of the system in your cell phone, not of Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has you solved the problem.